Hey Frosties, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be starting a series of makeup based on album covers. And in this series, we're going to start doing my favorite band, 21 Pilots. And in order to do 21 Pilots, you got to go way, way back to No Pun Intended. So No Pun Intended was their first album ever released before they were bought out by but signed with Fueled by Ramen. And so it was No Pun Intended. And it's a very kind of sad album just by Tyler, and it's kind of cute. So we're gonna do a makeup based on that album, and it's kind of the basic, just kind of glam. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start by spraying my face with tea tree oil, and then moisturize. Oop, I'll go without ring. With my Tatcha water cream. And to prep our lips before we put lipstick on later in the video, I'm going to use my little Glam & Go lip mask. Since my lips have been feeling this summer heat dehydration. Right, and I'm going to start with the face first. So I'm going to use my Fenty foundation mixed with a Morphe brush. Okay. And for our concealer, I'm going to grab our Maybelline Age Rewind, another Morphe brush to blend it out. To set the base, we're just going to grab a loose setting powder to your choice and pick right under the eyes. And everywhere else that you generally need it. Moving along to the eyes. I'm going to put a base down and use my same concealer I was using earlier. I was all using my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Dip into Temper right here and set the whole eye. Then with a Morphe M573, I'm going to dip into Love Letter, which is magenta, pinkier color, and put it all in the outer V. And take a fluffy brush and blend out those edges with golden ochre. I'm going to take a pencil brush and Venetian red and get deep into the line that you made. take a packing brush and a shimmer, the pink shimmer, and dust it on your inner corner. And take a green of choice, more of a true green. I'm using the Hatter from the Urban Decay Full Spectrum and dust it under your waterline. Oh. Add some mascara and be right back. Alright, so let's do some finishing eye details. Move on to the eyebrows. So, add a piece of flare. All right. Now to finish off the face. We're going to start with the Shade and Light palette. My bronzer, that's by Sephora. Anastasia Beverly Hills blush. Finally, my favorite part, the Amrezy highlighter. And my Jeffree Star lipstick in Dirty Money. that is the full face of makeup based off of a album cover, and in this specific point, the album cover, no pun intended, by 21 Pilots. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys are ready for a full series based on 21 Pilots albums. I'm super excited to start this series, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye!